Hello, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Okay, I'm fine, thank you. My name is Teacher Nika, and today we will talk about the conversation lesson number 36. I need to do laundry. One more time. I need to do laundry. Hi, Anna. Come in. Wow, your apartment is a mess. I know. I didn't have time to put things away before you got here. Look, are those all your clothes on the couch? Yes. Are they clean? Actually, most of them are dirty. I haven't done laundry in a while. I usually wait until I can do it at my parents' house. My sister and I usually go to the laundromat down the street. Why don't you go there? I know I should, but that place isn't very convenient. You have to wait for a long time. Yes, I know. I have to do it every week. Anyway, are you ready to go? No, I'm not ready yet. I still have to brush my teeth and wash my face. Can you wait for a few minutes? Okay, but please hurry. I think the restaurant is closing soon. Very good, everyone. So that's all for today, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.